Okay, this is problem number 1. You need to find the component of vector a plus b along x and along c. So let's do the first part. So find a plus b first. So a plus b. So that is I cap minus 2j plus 2I cap plus 3k. So that is 3I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Now how do you find the component of a vector along a particular vector? Very simple. You take a dot product with the unit vector along which you want to find its component. Component of along x is unit vector along x is I cap. So component along x is a plus b dot I cap. Okay, so that's 3 because I dot j is 0 and I dot k is also 0. You see the lectures on dot product. Okay. Point number 2. So along c, c vector is given. So c vector is given, that's fine, but unit vector along c is not given. So you need to find c cap. So that's I cap plus j cap divided by magnitude of I cap plus j cap. I think you understand this. This is basically what? This is basically it's actually what? This is c vector by magnitude of c, right? C vector. Okay. So what's magnitude of I cap plus j cap? So that's 1 square plus 1 square root. So that's root 2, right? So this is I cap plus j cap by root 2. So component along C is a plus b dot c cap. Okay, so that's 3I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap dotted with I cap plus j cap by root 2. So that is if you take 3I cap dotted with I cap plus j cap, so only the I component survives. So that is 3 by root 2, and for the rest it's for the rest part dotted with I is 0, and for this minus 2j dotted with j by I plus j by root 2 is only the j part survives. So that is 2 by minus 2 by root 2. So that is 1 over root 2. So that is the component along C.